Welcome to Sister's Kitchen India. To subscribe my channel, please click on the red subscribe button and don't forget to click on the bell button to get daily notifications. Hello friends, today I'll be showing you how to prepare Dahi chicken or Dahi chicken. So let's check it how we are going to prepare. To prepare our Dahi chicken, here we have taken some mustard oil into our karai. Now we are going to add some whole spices into this. Here we have taken some cumin seeds, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 cloves and 2 cardamoms. We are going to fry it for some seconds, and after that I'll be adding some freshly chopped onions into this. And after adding them, I'll be frying them for almost 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, as you can see, our onions has fried properly. Now I'm going to add this marinated chicken into this, in which I have added some curd or dahi, some salt, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Now we are going to add them into this karai. After adding all the chicken pieces, now I am going to fry them for almost 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it has fried properly. Now I am going to cook it with the lid on for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, our chicken has started losing its water. Now I am going to add a spice mixture into this, in which I have added 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder along with some water. Now I am going to saute it again, and I'll be cooking it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, and serve it hot. Our dahi chicken is absolutely ready. If you like our recipe, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Thank you and have a good day.